What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing an updated version of the NHL goal horns. Last year, I did this, well, not last year, this is earlier this year, back in like February, I did this video or something like that, and it is my most viewed video ever. You guys love this, so I'm bringing this back for the 2022 version of this. We have a new team. I've heard a few new songs have been added, so a few different teams have a few different songs or whatever the case is. And all right, so here's how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna rank these on a scale of 1 through 10 this year. I'm not doing A through F. I'm doing 1 through 10 this year just to make things a little bit easier. So 1 being really, really bad and 10 being really, really good. With that being said, let's get into this video right here. Okay, just like the touchdown song ranking, we are using Evan Kelly as the official theme, the official channel for this video. Make sure to check out the link to his channel in the description down below. Go drop a sub on him. I think he'd really appreciate it. He just hit 1,000 subscribers a few months ago. Let's get him to 1.2. All right. Let's start it off. We're going in alphabetical order this time. Last year's a little bit out of order. We're starting it off with the Anaheim Ducks. Okay. I said this last year, and I'll say it again. I don't like Brohim. I think the song isn't the greatest song in the world. Now, since we're doing this on a 1 through 10 scale this year, it's a little bit different than the A through F, which is what I did last season. I'm going to put this at a 3 out of 10. I don't like it. I think... Actually, all right, I forgot. I ranked these based off of horn and then the song. So the horn itself gets a 5 out of 10. I can barely hear it while watching Ducks games. I was watching a Ducks game the other night, and I could barely hear it. I want to be able to hear the horn, and I can't hear it. It sounds depressing. The song gets a 3 out of 10 because I don't like the song personally. I think Brohim isn't a great hockey song. I think like the Angels use it, the Anaheim Angels use it, that's fine. I think it works best for baseball, but for hockey, I just don't like it. I don't know. Next one's the Arizona Coyotes. Alright, I like this one. The horn is fine. The horn gets a 6 or 7 out of 10. I actually like this horn. It's very solid. Like, I'd want to go to a Coyotes game just to watch, just to hear that horn. I mean, that's a good, solid horn. And, I mean, it's too bad their team sucks this year, but that's not the point. Their horn's fine. Their song makes sense, baby. I'm howling for you. And then the howl from the Coyote, I said this last year, I like this. I'm going to give the horn a 6 or 7 out of 10. The song gets an 8 out of 10 because it makes sense. Okay, pretty fair. Next one is my team, the Bruins. And last year, people called me out for being a little biased. Let's listen to it first, and then I'll break this down. Here are the Bruins. Like, you can't tell me that's bad, okay? Not even being biased because I'm a Bruins fan. I'm from New England. I've been a Bruins fan my entire life, okay? But that horn is good, okay? I know it's a recording. I don't really care. I like it. It makes sense. And the song, Current Craft 400, is just so iconic. I think it's great. One of the best horn song combinations in the league. Up there with Chicago, with the Kings, with I Love LA. I think it makes sense. With another one, Vancouver and Holiday by Green Day. It just makes sense. Next one's the Buffalo Sabres, and I'm looking here, and it seems like they all have individual goal songs. So I'm going to pick Kyle Opozo's one, and I'm not going to rank the song for this one because that's not fair, because they're all individual ones. So I'm going to rank Kyle Opozo's just to be fair, okay? I'm not ranking the song, I'm ranking the horn, okay? Because that's not fair. Okay, I'm not... Great song choice, by the way. I love Eminem. But the horn itself is fine. I like that horn. It's a strong, powerful horn. And I think it sounds good when I'm watching a Sabres game. Like last night when I'm... For you guys, and you guys watching this Thursday, then Wednesday night, the Bruins and Sabres played. And I was live on YouTube for that game, live play-by-play and watch parties. Come join every few nights. I'm live like 4 or 5, maybe even 6 times a week. So come on in. If you want to listen to some play-by-play and also just some chill and just watch some hockey, come on in. But Bruins and Sabres played the night before. I bet you will probably hear the Sabres horn at least once during the game. So I love how the horn sounds on TV. It sounds so crisp and pure. This horn gets an 8 out of 10. I'm not even lying to you guys. I think the horn is great. I think it's a solid horn, and I can't complain. And I can't remember, did I rank the Bruins one? If I didn't, put it on the screen. I'll do you one better. I'll record it. The horn is a 9 out of 10, and the song is a 10 out of 10. Next one, I got called out. Next one's the Calgary Flames. Okay. Bang. TNT. Dynamite. TNT. Okay. That horn sounded off. Something about that horn sounded really off. I'm not sure if it's the video itself or just this guy's recording or what, but the horn sounded off. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 because I know usually the horn sounds pretty good. And TNT by AC/DC is a great choice. 10 out of 10 on the song choice, by the way. Just want to make sure that's known. All right. Next one is the Carolina Hurricanes. So, one of the best teams in hockey right now. Take a look. They apparently listened to my prayers, because if you remember, last year I said, why the hell is there Ric Flair there? Why? Because Ric Flair used to say, that's a Carolina Hurricanes goal. Woo! Why is Ric Flair... Woo! Why is Ric Flair there? Woo! Nature Boy. Like, I know he's from Carolina, from North Carolina. I just was completely caught off guard by that. And then I didn't like the song. I still don't like it. The horn's fine. It gets like a 6 out of 10. The song gets a 4. I don't personally like it. I think they could do a lot better. Even The Nights by Avicii was a lot better than this one, just in my personal opinion. Next one is the Chicago Blackhawks, or They Who Shall Not Be Named. Take a look. Here's the Blackhawks. All right. Okay, as much as I hate the Blackhawks, especially in the past few weeks here, I can't deny it. Their horn is great, 9 out of 10, and their song gets a 10 out of 10. Chelsea Dagger is incredible, and that's that. The Blackhawks situation, though, makes me want to take a point away. So, in fact, I'm actually going to take a point away just from all the crap that they've been going through. Horn gets an 8, song gets a 9. Sorry, not sorry. Damn! Next one is the Colorado Avalanche, who are surprisingly bad so far this year. They can turn it around, though. It's only November. Let's take a look at this one. Ooh. Okay, if you've been here for my goal horn ranking last year, either the NHL or the AHL, my touchdown song ranking, you know that I absolutely hate sirens. That's that. The siren immediately gives the horn a 0 out of 10 because I don't like sirens. They're annoying. They're pointless. In my personal opinion, I don't like them. People called me harsh last year. I don't care what you have to say. I don't like sirens. I think they make no sense in hockey. However, the song gets a 5 out of 10. It's solid. Next one is the Columbus Blue Jackets. Okay. Does not sound like the Blue Jackets horn at all. Oh! Okay, I forgot about the cannon. Damn it. Let's have ourselves an instant replay on Sam getting scared shitless. I forgot about the cannon. My bad. I forgot about the cannon. The horn itself, it sounds off. Like, that's not how the Blue Jackets horn usually sounds. Like, wait a minute. I have a goal horn app on my phone. This is how it usually sounds. That's how it usually sounds. Okay? So, that seems a little off. The cannon's freaking great. I don't care what y'all say. The cannon's great. It scares the crap out of me, but I love it. I'm not going to rank the guy's recording of the horn. I'm going to rank that with that. Horn gets an 8 out of 10. I know it's broken as hell, but I love it. And then the cannon's great. And the song choice is great. You can't go wrong with The Whip by Loxley. It's good. It's a good song. So, next one's the Dallas Stars. Ooh, I like that horn. I said this last year, and I'll say it again. This song is awful. I get it, it's supposed to be your own team's song, and I respect that, but the song itself is terrible. Song gets a 2 out of 10, but the horn gets a 9 out of 10. I like the Hot Stars horn. I don't know about you guys. Next one's the Detroit Red Wings. Surprisingly are good this year. Alright, I'll admit it. Second straight year in a row, the Red Wings switched their goal song, and it's actually a good one. Their horn is not the same as it was at the Joe. It doesn't sound good at all. It's like a 4 out of 10 for the horn, but the song gets 7.5 out of 10. I actually like it. It's solid. I liked Celebrate by Pitbull last year, and this one's pretty good too. So, no complaints. This one is the Edmonton Oilers, who are at the top of the West right now. So let's take a look at this. No, 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 no. No, no, and no. At least they took away the siren. That was a good idea. The horn's loud and obnoxious and annoying. 2 out of 10. Song gets a 4 out of 10. I've never liked Fluxland. The Lightning used it. That sucked. The Bills used it as their NFL song. That sucks. And this sucks. Oh, I'm sorry, Oilers fans. That sucks. No offense. Your team doesn't suck, but your horn and song does. This one is the Florida Panthers. They've always had a good horn. Yep. Alright. I like this. The horn is great. Horn gets a 7.5 out of 10 from me. The growl is fantastic. Like I said with Arizona, it's just another, a cherry on top. The song gets a 7 out of 10 as well. It's a very solid song. No complaints. This one is the LA Kings. Wait a minute. Where's I Love LA? Where is I Love LA? That's the good part. The song's great, don't get me wrong, but that's a good part of the song. I love LA. I love LA. Randy Newman, where you at? Okay. The horn gets an 8 out of 10. I've always liked the King's horn. You could make the same argument. Oh, it's loud and obnoxious like the Oilers. Well, I actually like the sound of it. The Oilers one's just ear piercing. And then the Kings, the song itself gets a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good, so no complaints. This one's the Minnesota Wild. Did they change it from Jump Around last year? What is this? I don't know what this is. No, they didn't. No, they did not. I didn't know it could get worse. Yet here we are, and it's worse. How the hell did they screw that up? Where is crowd chant? No! No! Horn gets a 6 out of 10. The song gets a 1. Here's Montreal. Oh, God. Okay. The reason I did that is because their horn sounds like a car horn. It sounds like when somebody goes every time the horn sounds at the Bell Center. That is the more ear piercing than the Oilers one. This one gets a 1 out of 10 for the horn. I'm not just saying that because I'm a Bruins fan, because the horn is actually annoying. And the song gets a 6 out of 10. I'll be fair at that. It's a good song. Nashville Predators, who are surprisingly another decent team in the Central. So, let's take a look. Ooh, I like that horn. Crisp. Very crisp.
I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I tried so hard. I can't rise above it. Don't know what it is about the Predators scoring, but I like it. I love it. I want some more of it.
Yes, sir. That would... I think the Predators announcer says that.
He scores! Yes, sir!
That horn is great. 9 out of 10. Country makes sense. You know? And then this would get me hype at any game. I don't care if I'm the Predators fan or not. This is great. 9s all around. Awesome stuff. Awesome, awesome stuff here. Devils. Ugh. Bad recording of the Devils horn, I'll tell you that right now. Ugh. Ugh. That's not too bad. Oh. 0 out of 10. Song is fine. That does not get ruined. It's the sirens! And the horn didn't even sound good either. 0 out of 10. Song gets a 5 out of 10. Good God. We've discussed this. No sirens in hockey, please. Unless it's the end of the period, I'll make an exception. No goal sirens, okay? This one's the New York Islanders. They just opened their new arena. Apparently, there's already a recording out of their horn. Let's listen in. Okay, this isn't too bad. There we go. All right, crowd chant gets a 10 out of 10 already. That's one of the greatest goal songs ever, in my personal opinion. This horn sounds like a mix of the Nassau horn and the Barclays horn. They threw it together in one, and there it is. Mwah! Magic. Horn gets an 8 out of 10. Song gets a 10 out of 10. And that's coming from a fan of the team who you eliminated in the second round last year, Islanders fans. So says a lot. Got yourselves a good horn here. Not too bad. Rangers. The New York Rangers. We think we already know what this is. Yep, do it. Oh, here we go. Yeah, okay. I hate to admit it, but that would get me hype at a hockey game. The horn's recording, it's fine. It gets a 3 out of 10. But the song, that would get me hype. That's like an 8 out of 10. I can't deny that. Here is the Ottawa Senators. All right, remember to cover your ears again. I don't mind this, but if you're, this is another annoying one. Senators. Okay. The horn is annoying. We all know that, but I like it personally. I don't know. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10 for the horn. The song, 9 out of 10. Song 2 by Blur. You can't go wrong. This is the Philadelphia Flyers. Did they get rid of Feel the Shake? The hell is this? What is this? I thought Feel the Shake was bad. This is horrible. This Girl by Kung versus Cookin' on 3 What the hell? Oh, God. This is the Pittsburgh Penguins. You ready? Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Ugh. Wow. Flyers, the horn gets a 5 out of 10. It's a little too short. Song gets a 3 out of 10. Here are the Penguins. Party Hard's a good song. Gets a 7 out of 10 for me. Horn gets a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 all around. All right. There's two versions of the next one. Sharks and Kraken. Sharks will go the updated version, okay? Okay? Okay. Yeah. Welcome to the Space Jam at the end. All right, that's great. I was vibing. Horn gets a 9 out of 10. Song gets an 8 out of 10. I can't complain. Now, this is where it gets interesting. I get to rank the Seattle Kraken's goal horn right now. This is the first time I get to rank it. I've heard it before, so I already know what I'm expecting, but let me rank it. Kraken, 3, 2, 1. Let's release it. Oh, yes. Yeah. Best song in the damn league. Nirvana is so good. Okay. Nirvana, by the way, the reason they chose Nirvana, it's a Seattle-based band. That's perfect. And Lithium's a good song. They could have chose Smell Like Teen Spirit. I still would have gotten a 10 out of 10. Horn gets a 9 out of 10. That's a good horn. And the song gets a 10 out of 10. One of the best songs in the league, in my personal opinion. Now, here's where we run into trouble. Here's the St. Louis Blues. Are you ready? Get ready for the broken horn? Oh my god! What? That's terrible! That's the worst version of the blues horn I've ever heard in my life. Let me check the comments. Wait a minute. I feel like this is on piano. Now I know why the Blues are called the Blues. That sounds nothing like the horn. It sounds like a UFO sound effect. When you add auto-tune to a goal horn, horn needs update. Wait, what the hell is this bleep? The horn does not sound like that. LMFAO.
Nice.
Why does it sound so bad? Is the horn that old? It's that broken. Oh no! The horn! It's broken. Tampa, let's go. Two-time defending Stanley Cup champ. I can't deny it. I'm a Bruins fan. We hate the Lightning. You guys hate us. Your horn has a good horn. It's a 7 out of 10 for the horn. The Tesla coils are great. The Lightning, I actually like that. And the song, it's a 7 out of 10 as well. I can't deny it. Toronto Maple Leafs. Oh, they didn't change the horn. Didn't change the song. No. This is a great song, not a hockey song in the least. It gets a 2 out of 10 for the song. Horn gets a 7 out of 10. Can't deny it. It's a good, powerful horn. Vancouver. You ready? Give it to me, Green Day. Green Day was their song. What is this? Ain't talking about Love, Van Halen. Oh, it's the same one from last year. Oh, okay. I remember I liked this song, but I was sorry. I was expecting Green Day. One of the hashtags is Fire Jim Benning. Right on. Horn gets a 4 out of 10. Sounds a little wonky. Always has. And the song gets a 6.5 out of 10. Next is the Vegas Golden Knights. Ooh, I like that horn. Yeah. Yeah. All right. The horn's fantastic. It gets a 10 out of 10 from me. The song gets an 8.5 out of 10. Vegas Lights, Panic at the Disco, a Vegas-based band. It's the best of both worlds. Good job. The Capitals, cover your ears for sirens. Automatically a 0. We'll just listen in anyway. Okay, what the hell is this? I thought The siren was bad enough. The song is bad too. Learn to Fly by Foo Fighters? Not a hockey song for sure. Oh my god, that is atrocious. You obviously know my feelings. 0 out of 10 for the horn and a 3 out of 10 for the song. That's not good. And the last one here is the Winnipeg Jets. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Good song and a good horn. But the damn siren. The siren ruined it. I'm sorry. The siren ruined the horn. Now, if I was not ranking sirens, the horn would get a 6 out of 10. But, 0. The siren. Guys, get rid of your damn sirens. It's the stupidest thing in hockey. The song gets a 7 out of 10. It's time to celebrate. I'd celebrate when I score a goal, two, or... The song gets a 7 out of 10. I like to celebrate too when my team scores a goal. Yeah, makes sense. Time to celebrate. I like to celebrate too. Yeah, these horns, some are better, some are worse, and some are the same from last year. Man. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Click like if you enjoyed it. Click subscribe if you enjoyed it a lot. Make sure to hit the bell while you're at it to get notified every single time I go live on the channel or when I upload a new video. I will be live for you guys. I'll be live twice on Friday, November 26th, or tomorrow, from when this video is going up, at 1 p.m. Eastern and 7 p.m. Eastern. So that's gonna be a big day. Also, excuse me. Also, make sure to follow me on my social media platforms. They're right here on Instagram and TikTok. And the links to those are obviously in the description. Or if you want to make things hard, they're on your screen. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And with that being said, happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving for when I'm uploading this. Happy Thanksgiving to all my American viewers. And with that being said, enjoy your turkey and your mashed potatoes and your stuffing and your cranberry sauce and your pumpkin pie. And happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching.